Mal and I'm a professional illustrator, and in this video I'm going to show you the ins and outs of Animation Assist in Procreate. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future tutorials. So what is Animation Assist? Well, quite simply, it turns Procreate into a mini animation studio. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, let's look at how to activate the Animation Assist. It's super easy. Go up to your wrench, navigate over to Canvas and simply toggle Animation Assist on. You'll see that a bar will appear at the bottom of the screen, which is your timeline, settings and a play button. Let's have a look at the timeline. Quite simply, a layer or a layer group equals one frame. So for every layer or layer group you add, a frame is made. The bottom layer of your layers panel will be the far left frame in the timeline. Drawing on a layer will automatically add it to the frame. If you delete a layer, the corresponding frame will also be deleted. You can set the hold duration of that frame, which allows you to create pauses and edit the timing of your animation. You can also duplicate the frame, which in turn duplicates the layer and delete the frame altogether. Just a quick warning on that this will also delete the layer and any drawing you've made on that layer. By clicking the leftmost or rightmost frame, you can change that frame to be set to either the background or the foreground. By doing this, you will be assigning that frame to appear throughout the animation, either on top or in the background. Within the settings menu on your timeline, you will find a number of useful controls for your animation. First up, we have play settings. So at the top we have loop, ping pong and one shot. These refer to how the animation will play. Loop will start at the left and end at the right, before returning to the left and starting again. Ping pong will start at the left, play to the right, then ping pong all the way back to the left, playing the frames in reverse. One shot will simply play the animation once, starting at the left and ending at the right. This is really useful for animations that tell a story and don't loop. Frames per second dictates the speed of your animation. Standard animations run at around 12 frames per second, with this rising to 24 for high quality animations. Because I like my animations to be a little janky, I often use only 3 to 4 frames and have it run quite slow at maybe 5 to 7 frames per second. It's about finding what works for you. To create a smooth animation, you'll want to add more frames and have it run faster. So next up we have onion skinning, a term that confused me to start with but quickly became the most useful control in Animation Assist. Onion skinning allows you to see semi-transparent frames either side of your current frame. This allows you to reference those frames to create your current frame. The setting allows you to set how many frames you can see at once. You can set onion skinning to none, showing only your current frame, or you can push it up to a maximum of 12 surrounding frames. Setting the onion skin's opacity allows you to adjust how transparent the onion skin frames are, and toggling the blend primary frame switch, you can make your current frame a similar transparency to give it a blended in look. Onion skin colours give you the option of adjusting the appearance of the frames before and after your primary or current frame. This is useful if you are struggling to differentiate between the different colours in your animation and the onion skins. Like most things, Procreate makes exporting your animation incredibly easy. It allows you to save it as a number of file formats including GIF and MP4. My preferred format is MP4, as I find that bringing it into CapCut is the easiest and it's a nice small file size. And with that wraps up this explainer on Animation Assist in Procreate. I hope you found this useful, and if you have, make sure you like and subscribe. It's totally free to do and it really helps me out. Thanks very much and see you in the next one. Bye!